Hey everybody, my name is Lenny Dorian, and I've been coaching in the Mango area now for 30 years. And we're looking to put together a fundraiser for the girls' softball and baseball teams. It's not affiliated with the school, it'll be a private fundraiser, but we're going to donate money to raise money for uniforms and also equipment. So let's just go ahead and get started. Right here is your typical fundraiser. As you can see down at the bottom there, it says $10 per person. And usually the funds go towards the fundraiser. So we're looking to do something a little bit different. We're going to help people save money on something they have to pay month after month, which is their electric bill. My wife Trina and I, right now, we are partnered with Think Energy, and Michael Falquist is the founder and CEO of Think. And Michael has put together an award-winning corporate team with successful track record in energy and direct sales. Michael acquired Think Energy in November of 2022. And as you can see down bottom here, when Michael first acquired Think Energy, it had a 1.2 star rating. And just a little over a year, uh, he's been able to bring that up to a 4.4 out of 5 stars. Okay. And then over here, he also was founder and CEO of Verdant Energy with over 300,000 customers and 30,000 independent associates. 6 years on Direct Selling News 100. Also, Michael owned Vista Energy, and that was his last energy company. He sold that company for $500 million. So with Think Energy, we offer two products. Our first product is our community solar. And I was at a business meeting with Vice President Steve Condon. And the one that really stuck with me that he told me was that community solar is a transition from fossil fuels to green energy. I think that's a great for the environment. And when we partner with these solar farms, we purposely look for fields and farmlands when partnering with them because we don't want any clear cutting or anything like that happening with the solar farms we're partnering with right now. And for every electric customer, we protect 50 trees in the rainforest with one tribe. Right here is how Think Energy works. This is a supply bill. This is on the second page of your electric bill if you're a Versant customer. And you see right here over to the left with the circle, it says Think Energy. That's the only thing that's going to change on your bill as far as the supply side goes. And as you can see right here, we got great savings. And, the other part of Think Energy is, I do cost analysis. And my cousin, he was locked in at 19.75 cents per kilowatt hour. Our lowest rate now is 0.079. So I took that times his kilowatt usage and come up with $112.49. So his previous bill was $281.24. We minus that, and we ended up with $168.75 savings per month for his electric bill. Some people are out there paying higher than 19, and some are lower. But that's what we're out here for. We're trying to help people save money. And then also we have our community solar. Now, with the solar farm owners require dual billing. So this is the first part of the dual billing. And then they also ask for automatic payments because these solar farmers are out there, they're building these solar farms, spending hundreds of thousands of dollars, and until that farm is full, they can't turn them on. So once they turn that farm on, they want to make sure they're receiving that money. Over here, you can see right here, we're offering a 10% discount on your electric supply and your delivery side. So the way this works right here, this is the customer discount, as you can see, $34.64, and the amount due was $311.71. So, that's a really good savings right here. Over to the right here, this is how our solar credit works. And if you want more information on that, I can get that to you. And here's the second part of the dual billing process with our community solar. You would just receive a bill for taxes and fees from either CMP or Versant. And down here, you can see it was only $21.91 for this CMP bill. Right now, Versant, we just received this a couple weeks ago. They're going to be going both up on both the supply and the delivery. So that's where that community solar comes into play because we got a 10% savings on both sides of that bill. Now, right now, we have a current promotion through Think Energy. Community solar customers, this is just for the Versant area. Free energy customers do not qualify for this program. We also offer a free energy program. I could get you that information too if you're interested in that. So the way we get paid is we get $20 for an electric customer, and that's once they're pending. And then also with solar, we get $60 when that customer goes pending. And generally, it takes 2 to 3 weeks before we get paid. Now, when those solar customers get connected to a solar farm, we're also going to get an additional $60 for that too. So with the current promotion, Versant solar customers only, we're going to get an additional $25. So that equals $165 for Versant customers. And, with CMP customers, we're going to end up with 140 because that $25 doesn't qualify for CMP customers right now. Now, our goal is to get 30 electric solar customers, Versant only. Total earns would be $7,400 for the fundraiser. Now, if we reach our goal of 30 solar customers, we're going to give away a jackpot of $750. That jackpot will be broken down into 3 jackpots of $250, one winner per household. If you'd like more information, just let me know. And that's it. This part here is how we get paid. This is in our business office. As you can see, we get $20 for electric, $60 for that. And if you decided you saw this and you like what you saw for the money in this, and you decided you want to start your own business today, our normal enrollment fee is $129. And from now to the end of April, it's going to be just $49. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. Don't reach out to the office, reach out to one of the coaches and we can give you the information you need. I'll also be doing another video on how to sign yourself up for both electric and solar, and I'll post that on the site also. I wish you all a great day, and bye now.